Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to format a Google document like a book. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left, and then you want to go down and select Page Setup. And then at this point, you go ahead and adjust the margin measurements here. For the margin, if you're using centimeters, I would suggest changing these to zero point 0.3 for all of them. However, if you're using inches in here, type in 0.11811, and you would do that for all of them in here. And then you would select OK. And then at this point, you could just finish inserting whatever content you wanted into the document, and it should be able to be printed out in a much better booklet format. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.